Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a website for your accounting firm using the Mighty Site system. It takes less than a minute. So all I'm going to do is scroll down here and click on accounting, and this is going to take me right into the system. I'm going to jump into my back end just to show you how easy this is. So I'm going to do the same thing, click on accounting. And the first thing I need to do is just find my accounting business name. So I'll type in accounting. Here's my business. Click over here and I can see information about my business. If I want to update any of this, I can do it right here. If I want to update my hours, I can go in here and just quickly and easily add the hours that I'm open every day. When I'm ready, click save. Once all that looks good, click next. And just like that, I have a brand new professional accounting business website for my business. Now, the next step is to activate this site and pay $9 a month. That's all it costs. And then I can click right here to update my site and easily update any of my social links, any of my phone number, contact information. I can update my logo, update the menu items. If I want to change out photos or text, I can easily click on update, edit the text, or browse and update the photo directly from my computer. Click save. If I'd like for people to call me instead of directions, I can click on the action button and I can quickly and easily change this to calling me and click here, call us, and save it. And that's how easy it is. And then once I'm all ready to go, I can quickly and easily connect my domain and launch my brand new accounting business website.